Building an addition? Here are 5 pro tips from GFM to save you time and money. Start with permits. No matter how perfect your build is, without permits, they can make you tear it down. Go with a Pier foundation. It's faster, cheaper, and doesn't need a week to cure like concrete. Pay attention to the windows. Factory-sealed ones are less likely to leak. Plan for electric, HVAC, and ventilation right away. Adding them later is way more expensive and time-consuming. Don't skip vapor barriers and ventilation gaps. Without them, you'll be dealing with mold within a year. Want a stress-free build? Think like a pro, plan smart. Build smart. Save this video and drop addition in the comments. We'll send you a step-by-step checklist.